Imagine waking up one day and realizing AI just replaced your job, your creativity, even your thinking. The truth, it's already happening. But here's the shocker. Those who actually learn how to use AI aren't just surviving, they're becoming the next millionaires. Today, I'm going to give you the exact formula I've built from years of experience. So grab your notes, because this might be the most important lesson of your life. Before we dive in, let's first take a look at this problem. Please watch the video carefully and pay close attention to what it says.
This one AI-generated video got 426 million views, another 236 million. And here's the craziest part. This channel only has 27 videos, but it's racked up over 4 million subscribers.
Would you believe me if I told you that this channel, yes, this one right here, gained over 1.27 million subscribers with just 38 shorts? And guess what? They did it in just 1 month. And the craziest part, they're making thousands of dollars every single month, all from... I just found a YouTube channel that has gained over 4 million subscribers and more than 1.5 billion views just by uploading videos that were created entirely with AI. But what's even crazier is they got monetized with their very first video, which pulled in more than 30 million views.
Now, let's verify whether this is true or false. We'll visit YT Large, an official website designed to analyze YouTube videos.
Okay, let's go.
By selecting the monetization checker. And then we copy the link of the video to check, then paste the link of the video promoted by these so-called gurus into the search bar. We can immediately see the channel's monetization status. In this case, the channel is not monetized. In fact, according to YouTube's policies, channels that rely solely on AI-generated animal videos are not eligible for monetization. If you check the monetization status of AI-generated cat and dog channels, you'll find that they are not eligible for monetization. Be careful to waste your time creating these videos. Now let us come to our topic. There are two thinkings to keep in your mind. 1. The danger of AI. 2. The future of AI. The danger of AI.
Geoffrey Hinton is the Nobel Prize-winning pioneer whose groundbreaking work has shaped AI
and the future of humanity.
How dangerous AI could be. So there's risks that come from people misusing AI, and then there's risks from AI getting super smart and deciding it doesn't need us.
AI can revolutionize schools by helping teachers, explaining concepts, and reducing workload, but it can also be misused for cheating, propaganda, and scams like fake voices or morphed images. From political manipulation to fraud, dangers are real. AI will transform jobs, politics, education, and even warfare. History shows new technology always replaces some jobs, but AI's impact will be far bigger. It threatens creative fields too, yet new opportunities will emerge for those who learn to use it. Remember, AI won't take your job, but someone who knows AI will. 2. The future of AI. AI is improving itself. The future of AI is uncertain. It could build or break democracy, create new religions, or reshape our daily lives. Robots powered by AI may soon work beside us. What's clear is this: adapting and learning AI skills is no longer optional. Just as computer literacy became essential, AI literacy will be the new standard.